Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a copy of notes on your Google Keep on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to make a copy of notes on your Google Keep on your PC? Just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to make a copy of this particular note. For that, first of all, put your cursor on it, on the top of it, and you have this source option called, click on the stated option, and this is a more option, and here you have this option called make a copy. Click on this, so this will make a copy. So if I just need a multiple notes should be make a copy, so you can just select a note first, then you have to click on the three dot option on the top. Now here you have this option called make a copy. Click on this. This will make entire copy. So this is how you just make a copy of a same note on your Google Keep on your PC. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.